سيد يسمع بالزيار ثمن نبغض بخير وعلى خير. نبغض دون تايم ولا شروطة قد بريتش ايرويز أتيني همالا نبض الجزائر.
The local time is now approaching 7:15. For your continued safety, I will ask you to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs in the panels above you have been extinguished by the captain. Do be careful when reopening overhead lockers. Items may have moved during the landing and could fall out. Before disembarking the aircraft this evening, please check around your seating area and the seat pocket in front of you to ensure you have all personal items with you. Should you need assistance to leave the aircraft, remain seated until the aisle around you is clear, and our crew will be on hand to assist you. Likewise, should you require further assistance inside the terminal building, the ground handling personnel will be happy to claiming any luggage from the carousel you're looking on the board for flight number 2816. With British Airways Euroflyer from London Gatwick, it's been our pleasure having you as our guests on board, and whether you're here on business or pleasure, we'd like to all wish you a very pleasant stay. Or for those that are now returning from their journey, may we be them. Finally, on behalf of Commander Christopher Lodge and his entire onboard crew, we'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, happy holidays, and have a safe onward journey. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you. Happy New Year too. هكا هملا في المرسى مرة خلاو نسكردي ولا الفيديو كي تحبتو مالا لايكات والبارطاج. فوالا أقلاغ نبرد الجزائر.